Hi guys and welcome to Throwzone.com. What you're looking at is the BMW G310 RR. Yes, the BMW derivative of the TVS Apache RR is finally here. BMW has decided to launch it, and it's here in the Indian market at 2.85 lakh rupees, while the sport variant costs 2.99 lakh rupees. I think that's fantastic price because BMW has learned from their mistakes in the past. They priced the bikes not so great, but then they revised the prices and the sales went through the roof. And again, it's going to it's going to happen again because the RR310 here, G310RR is here from BMW, and it's priced really competitively. So this is your entry level ticket into the super sport segment. Of course, we know for a fact that this motorcycle is much more accessible. It's not an out and out KTM RC rival, but it's somewhere in between the G310R and a full blown race machine. We know that this bike is really impressive to ride. It should be very impressive to ride. We don't think it's going to be any major change from the TVS version, and that is what the bike looks like in the new livery. It looks really great in the M Sport sort of M colors that is on offer. The majority of the white color here is impressive. The front end also remains very similar to the TVS version. As you can see, the LED DRLs, LED projector lamps, which should be really good. You see Michelin sport tires and the upside down forks, which are golden in color. There is going to be a number plate holder. This is a stunt bike for the launch right now, and as you can see, it gets similar alloy wheels, similar exhaust, similar tail lamps that are on offer, and it's the same 313cc motor making 34 bhp of power, 27 newton meters of torque, 6-speed gearbox. The engine is a reverse inclined motor, so as you can see, the exhaust comes from there and the head is turned opposite direction. That makes it much more easier to ride. Better dynamics are on offer, and BMW has also chosen not to give adjustable suspension for now, but the rear shock is adjustable. Look at the instrument cluster. That's how it starts, and that's the switch gear as before. We surprisingly have the information right now that we have. Let's listen to the exhaust note. Rev it up, please. So that's the bike. It's very similar to the TVS Apache version. That should make it really impressive bike for newbie riders getting into the 250cc 300cc segment, and given the prices are very good, it should be similar in terms of service as well. So BMW had revised the service costs and the service schedules and everything else to make it much more attractive. This should follow that suit because of course it's the same platform, and I've shown you about the tires, the suspension, the way the bike looks. That's the new BMW logo right there. It's the same seats here, the same red chassis. At the same time, you can hear the exhaust note as well continuously, and yeah, that's what the bike is all about. 2.85 lakh rupees for the base variant and 2.99 lakh rupees for the top end variant. We have a lot of details on our website and on social media following shortly. This is what we know now, and this is complete information for the TVS Apache, the BMW G310RR. I think that's it. The similarities in terms of name and the way it looks makes us realize the fact that it becomes very difficult for us to distinguish between the two. Again, a good look of the bike, and this is me signing off for now. I'll see you next time in the next video. Until then, goodbye.